Hi everyone, merhaba. Today I'm planning to make a pasta salad for my daughter. She wanted me to make it. I'm gonna use chicken in it. I have some ingredients I didn't have at home. I could have told it to my husband to bring to me, but since I got from your comments that you want me to go to the market more often, so I'm gonna go with you now. So let's begin. These are new. We don't have it normally. Looks beautiful. I normally the salad has carrot, but since it's not the season, I'm not gonna use it. We have this garniture mix. You can use it easily, but I prefer always to make it myself. And I need some. I'm not gonna buy corn because I have in the freezer. Now the chicken. Okay, it took 125 Turkish liras, and just to give you an idea, the official minimum wage in Turkey is about 3,000 Turkish liras, which is about $350. So now let's go back home and cook the chicken pasta salad. Okay, we are back. I thought a lot which one to buy. You can use chicken breast or chicken thigh or a drumstick, but I wanted to buy it whole because this one is more healthier. They grow up lower. So I'm gonna use only the breast part. Put the other parts to the freezer for using to another time, and then boil the chicken. Okay, I have my parts ready. I'm gonna wash these and put to the freezer, and I'm gonna boil this one. ring pasta, yüksük we call. Let me show you this one. You can use other small ones, but this is like the traditional we use. I'm gonna use half of it. My chicken is cooking. I'm gonna add the pasta soon. I have green peas. I'm gonna wash them and boil. I'm also gonna use the corn from the freezer, and this is grilled red pepper. I usually use it for the salads, keep it for the salads in my freezer. I'm gonna use some of them from here too. And instead of the carrot, I'm gonna use some red cabbage. Just roughly chop into cubes and saute it in a little bit olive oil. That's it. I put my salad onto the side a little bit because at the same time I'm making sourdough bread and it's time to shape it. I wanted to show you. I need it in the morning. I'm gonna transfer my dough to countertop. I'm sure you can find many recipes for the sourdough. I'm gonna gently shape it, and this one is gonna cook in here, but this one I'm gonna transfer it to the cast iron pan later. This is the first one. Okay, here is the second one. These are ready to go. They're gonna proof. It's really hot today, so I think I'm gonna be able to bake them in the evening. Back to the salad. I have my corn and grilled red peppers. I think this much is enough. This is still slushy, perfect for cutting into cubes. Next, the pickles, and then I'm gonna add the cooked pasta, the peas, and the red cabbage. Okay, my salad is almost ready. I only need to add the yogurt and mayonnaise dressing. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put most of it into here and dress the rest that we're gonna eat today, because it soaks yogurt, the dressing, it becomes dry, so it is better to add it close to the serving time. And this is way too much, even though I boiled only half package of pasta. I think this will be enough for us, a little more because I think my daughter will eat a lot. So I'm gonna add my yogurt. Sorry, just I'm gonna add it from here. Think it as a vlog, because I'm doing many things all together, not just focusing to film as I do it usually. And some mayonnaise, it's optional, but gives nice taste, of course. I'm gonna add a little. Some mint and red pepper flakes on top. I'm thinking to make a simit or börek to go with it. My daughter is gonna taste it. She's waiting eagerly to eat. My bread rising still needs time. On the back I'm making white beans. I might film it and continue. I'm a bit tired because it's really hot. Okay. And I'm fasting.